Guys, if you have been wondering how people zoom in and zoom out of their windows, something like this, and we have our files, as you can see, it is, and we can have it. It's very, very visible now. It's very easy to do on Windows. So without further ado, let's see how to solve this issue. So if you move your mouse to this side, it zooms to there. If you move it to this side, it zooms to there. So it's very simple to do. Now on your keyboard, press Windows key plus. That is the key to zoom in and zoom out. So you press Windows key plus on your keyboard. If you want to zoom out, you press minus key on your keyboard. So that is very simple to do, and this is just a simple way of zooming in and zooming out. Anytime you see a guy's doing a tutorial video on his screen, that is how he zooms in and zooms out. So Windows key plus or minus. So plus is to zoom in and minus is to zoom out. So that is how to solve this issue. It's very easy. If you have any problems regarding to this, leave it in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, and we see you on our next video on screen.